welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna do something very different. I'm getting ready to do some home improvements. I have been in my home for at least 8 years, and we have never changed the flooring. I've never actually done anything to the house. So it's gonna be a big project. Yeah, out of all the things I would do is change the flooring instead of paint. The product that we're gonna use is by Portfolio Collections. I got this from Walmart. It's those peel and stick planks. The self-adhesive vinyl planks. They say is high quality, registered, embossed. The measurements is 6 by 36. So there's a quantity of 10 planks in each box. We're getting ready to do this home improvement. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And this video is not sponsored. We bought this with our own coins. I can't wait to see the transformation. Is prepped and it's clean, and we use a little bit of degreaser on it just to make sure we get as much up as possible. So the floor is clean, and we have a tear here, so that's kind of why we're putting down the floor, just to give it a facelift. What we're doing right now is that we're doing a layout of the planks. We want to make sure, or we actually want to see what the floor is going to look like before we take the back off of the planks. This is something that I do recommend, so that way you'll see what your floor would look like before you make it permanent. Also, you do not have to use this layout that I did. There's many different layouts that you can use. I just decided to use this layout to make it a lot less stressful and a lot more easier for us to finish this project. So now that we have an idea of what the floor is gonna look like and we're satisfied with it, now we're gonna make it permanent. And also I bought this tape from Home Depot or Lowe's, either one. It actually helps with some extra adhesive. I was just a little skeptical just because this is my first time dealing with peel and stick planks. So I got that just to be on the safe side. There is a part on the plank that has some arrows, so I just would suggest that you put the plank facing, you put that plank in that direction. Keep them all going in that straight direction. So right now I'm just pulling off the backing, exposing the adhesive, and I'm also using a guideline with the linoleum. There is a line from the tile. There's a tile line, so we're using that as our point of reference when we lay the first plank down. Your next tile is very important. Make sure it goes in the same direction as the arrows, and make sure you put it flush against the first tile. Make sure everything is hitting flush against each other. This will eliminate the possibility of lifting or premature lifting. So just make sure that you put it directly right smack dab behind of it or next to it. My husband is coming along with a mallet, and that we're just using the mallet. We don't have to have a mallet, but we're using it just to make sure that it's adhered to the floor underneath. This is a close-up of how we put the planks together. As you can see, when the camera gets in its position, how we're making sure that it goes right next to the top and the side of the previous planks. I also want to do a close-up of how you cut your planks. It's very easy. We just made a line. We use a ruler and we made a line, and then we took a box cutter and cut the back of the plank. And then after you cut the back of the plank, all you really have to do is bend it in and out, and then the plank is gonna break. All right, YouTube, so the floor is done. Very, very satisfied with the final product. So yes, I would definitely recommend that if you want to do your floors by yourself, you are like me and you want to do it just on a little bit more of a budget, I do recommend these floors. The floors look absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna flip around. I'm gonna let you guys see it. I'm so excited. So it is late and we got hungry, got some pizza. So this is the floor, you guys. Isn't it wonderful? Oh my gosh. This is the floor. I absolutely love this. And this color, we did notice that it made the room just a little bit darker, not too much. It's more like like what it says, it's a silverish gray wood flooring. So I do like this. And it goes well with my chrome and black appliances. I'm thinking about doing something to the cabinets. I'm not sure yet. That's not going to be a project that's going to be happening right now, but I am happy that the floors are done. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Everything was very easy. We did not use the tape. We didn't use the tape. But I mean, I have the tape on hand just in case, because the planks are from Walmart, and you never know. There's a lot of mixed reviews about it. But as for right now, I completely love my floors. I am gonna do an update probably within the next 6 months, and then probably another update within a year to let you guys know how the floor is holding up. So as of right now, I absolutely love the. Thank you for kicking it with Kish. Home improvement style.